Hey, hello, what's up? Do you know what is the Cisco port security? Do you have any knowledge about Cisco port security? Cisco Swiss port security is the most important thing. So I will talk about today. I will talk about Cisco switch port security. So hello YouTubers, how are you? Today I will talk about Cisco port security. Cisco Swiss port security. This is the 2960 model Cisco switch, and this is the admin 1 PC, and this is the admin 2 PC. Here IP address is 10.4, this is 10.3, and this is the anonymous laptop 10.5. Okay, so what is the purpose of port security? We'll create a port security so that no unknown device cannot connect by through this port. That means when we will create a security on the specific port by using a specific device MAC address, no unknown device cannot connect through this port with the internet. So let's go. First of all, I am checking the connectivity between admin 1 and admin 2. So I am pinging from admin 2 to admin 1. So I'm going to command prompt and write down ping. The IP address is 10.3, 172.16.10.3. Okay, this is replying. The connection is so good. Now we will create a port security. So there have three methods. Okay, I will talk about this violation method when I will create the port security. So first of all, we have to create a port security in the specific port. This port address FA0/1, FA0/2. Okay, this port address is FA0/1, and this port address is FA0/2. Okay, so I will create a port security on this port FA0/1 for admin 2 PC. Okay, so go to the switch interface. Here is the Cisco switch interface. So first of all, we will write down here. First of all, we will enable and go to global configuration mode. Okay, now what I have to do, we will select now you have to do select the interface and name, interface address. My interface address is FA0/1, so interface first Ethernet 0/1. Okay, the interface is selected. The interface is selected. Now I will create port security on this interface. So first of all, if we write down here switch port security, then if you press enter, it is not take the command. It will not take the command cause this 0/1 port is in already dynamic port. So first of all, we have to turn it in access mode. So you have to command switch port mode access. Okay, now you will enter the command switch port security, then hit enter. Okay, now the port security is enabled on this 0/1 port. That means by using this command switch port mode access, your port is turned from dynamic to access mode. When you will enter switch port security, your selected port have to create a port security mode. Now we will create switch port security. Okay, we will I am showing you the sub command by using question mark. Here are three sub command: MAC address, maximum and violation. For using a switch port security, we will use 3 of command one by one. So first we will configure MAC address. So what is the MAC address? I will configure MAC address for my admin 2 PC, cause I want only admin 2 PC will be connect with this port. Without this admin 2 PC, no device will be connected. That's why I will collect admin 2 PC MAC address and select this MAC address, so that without admin 2 PC MAC, no device will be connect. So go to command prompt ipconfig/wall. This is the admin 2 computer MAC address. I am copying it. Okay, so go to the switch panel and here write down my switch port is enabled. Now I will configure MAC address. Switch port, port security, MAC address. Now I am pasting this MAC address. Okay, then hit enter. Now I will configure the second subcommand. What is means by maximum? It means how much device will be connect by through this port. How much device will be connect by through this port. You can use maximum 132 device on the single port, but I will configure by default 1. Switch port, port security, maximum 1. Hit enter. Now I will configure the violation. Okay, so after before configure this violation, I will I wanted to talk something about this. There have 3 types of violation: protect, restrict and shutdown. When you select the protect violation, it's mean your device will be, your unknown device will be connect by through this FA0/1 port, but does not access internet. That means no traffic will be come and out. This means protect. And the second is restrict. It means when unknown device will be connect by through this port, in a error message, a continuously error message will be go in administrator. That means when an unknown laptop or device will be connect by through this port, an error message, an administrator will get a error message, continuously getting a error message. When he get the error message, they can easily shut down or solve it. And the 3 is shutdown. That means when a unknown device will be connect through this port, the port is automatically shut down. When this unknown device will be connect, if I select shutdown method, the port will be automatically shut down. So now I will configure the violation. Switch port, port security, violation. Here you can see there are 3 types of violation. I will be use protect. I will be use protect violation. So I am writing here protect, then hit enter. Okay, exit. If I wanna to show the port security information, just write down do show port security interface first Ethernet 0/1. Okay, you are seeing this, the port security enable, secure is up, and the method is violation mode protect. Okay, so exit. Here you also see show switch, so show port security, there is the FS0/1, the port security is active. Now we will check the port security. Okay, when this PC, admin 2 PC, want to communicate with admin 1 PC, it can communicate with admin 1. Here you can see ping 6.10.3. Here you can see admin 2 PC can communicate with admin 1 PC, cause in port security method my admin 2 PC MAC address is saved, and that's why admin 2 PC can communicate with admin 1 PC. Now an anonymous laptop, or that means an unknown device, I will connect this device in FS0/1 port. Okay, I am crossing here. I am showing this, and here it is coming. Okay, it is coming. Okay, this is the unknown device, and this is the admin 2 is the known device, and this is the unknown device. Okay, I am connecting this unknown device by using through FS0/1 port, which is involved in my port security method. Okay, so I am connecting this FS0/1 0. Okay, give me some moment, cause the port takes time to up. It's taking some time. Okay, the port is up. Now I will check the communication. This is the unknown device, and this unknown device want to communicate with admin 1 PC. So let's go this command prompt and ping 172.16.10.3. No reply. This is working port security in FS0/1. Okay, cause this device is unknown for FS0/1, but this device is known for FS0/1. Okay, due to unknown, the FS0/1 not accessing this device, that's why it cannot communicate with admin 1. Okay, if I disable the port security on FS0/1, what will happen? Okay, if I disable the FS0/1 port security mode, the unknown device easily can communicate with admin 1. I am showing you. This is admin unknown. Okay, this is unknown laptop. I am setting the ping. Okay, this PC want to communicate with admin 1, but it cannot communicate with admin 1 due to port security. Now I am disable. Now I will disable the port security mode on FS0/1. Okay, it's request timeout. Okay, global configuration mode, interface fast Ethernet 0/1. I am disabling. Now I am disabling the mode, switch port security mode. Okay, interface fast Ethernet 0/1. No switch port security. Look at here. It when I will press enter in switch interface, the laptop interface, it's getting the ping. Okay, it will get the ping, it will get the response. Okay, I am hitting enter. Okay, are you seeing this? Now it can communicate with admin 1, cause there have no port security mode. So I think you have got the issue. If you have any question, then ask me on comment. I will try my level best to your reply, to give you reply. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.